Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. I'm back with my another unboxing video and this time I've got some special grooming products for you. Self-care is a privilege that is assigned to each one of us and we all must ensure to inculcate it in our daily lives. On the same grounds, I ordered face care combo through mancompany.com. I'll let you know more about what this box contains. So without further ado, let's unbox. So this has been wrapped very gracefully. So the first product that I have got here is the foaming face wash. It is made up of ingredients such as green tea and neem. It purifies your skin and reduces acne. So I'll just open it. So as I told you, this is a foaming face wash and it comes with an inbuilt brush. This inbuilt brush has very soft bristles which can exfoliate your skin deeply. Coming back to its ingredients, it contains green tea that fights off bacteria that leads to acne breakouts. It also contains neem that prevents pimples and reduces marks and spots. It also has aloe vera and we all know about it. It is a great moisturizer for your skin and it reduces skin aging. It also has cucumber that maintains the pH balance of the skin and it also reduces flakiness. I will show you how can we apply this face wash on our skin. But before that, I need to wet my face so that I can apply it easily. So I'll just come in a moment. I'll just press it. And we have to apply it in a circular motion. As you can see that it removes excess oil and dirt and boosts blood circulation as well. And if you have a skin like me, that is oily skin, then it is a blessing for you. So I'll just quickly come and wash my face. I have washed my face with this foaming face wash. And now it's time to check out our next product. So the next product that we have here is Daily Moisturizing Cream. What's better than applying a cream after a good face wash? I'll just open it. This moisturizing cream is made up of shea butter and vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a moisturizer for your skin and it softens the dry skin. Shea butter reduces the appearance of fine lines and makes skin firm and tight. And it also has cocoa butter that replenishes your skin and acts as a barrier to protect your skin from moisture loss. So let's see what we have here. I'll just open its cover and see it's pure white cream. I'll just apply a bit of it. My skin has become soft after applying this moisturizing cream. Regarding its price, I got this combo at an offer price of 500 rupees. I'll share the purchase link in the description and maybe you can look out if there are still any offers available on this combo. If you really like the video, then please do not forget to hit on like and subscribe buttons. And if you get a chance to use these products, then please do not forget to mention about your experience in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.